Meaning of flop.
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 Flop. The term flop can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, it can refer to a failure or something that didn't work out as expected. In pop culture, it can be used to describe a bad movie or performance. In technology, it is a measure of computing performance, specifically the number of floating-point operations that can be executed per second. When a computer executes a flop, it performs a complex mathematical calculation involving decimal points. The higher the number of flops a computer can perform, the faster and more powerful it is considered to be.